Good day. I am Leo Cedric Elverzo, and I am applying to join your company as a civil engineer. I am a graduate of Mapua University with a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, specializing in structural engineering. Your company would benefit from my contribution because I combine technical discipline with a deep focus on structural integrity and site safety. During my time at Mapua, I mastered the technical rigors of surveying and structural analysis, developing the precision required to handle complex engineering data and high-stake design projects. My professional foundation was forged during my tenure at Serrano Builders, where I specialized in surveying, site planning, and construction supervision. I took direct responsibility for field-to-office accuracy, utilizing AutoCAD and Civil 3D to ensure site, measurement, and mirror blueprints with a zero margin of error. Beyond technical execution, I prioritize the safety-first culture. As a member of Disaster Risk Reduction Committee, bring your ability to manage a project with both technical precision and medical competence. By orchestrating large-scale seminars with the SO organization, I've proven my ability to lead diverse teams and align projects with the highest sustainable standards, ensure every project I touch is safe, sustainable, and built to the highest standards. I thrive under pressure and maintain one more rep work ethic in everything I do, ensuring that I don't just meet expectations, but exceed them. If you're looking for an engineer who values structural excellence and uncompromising safety, I'm ready to deliver. Please don't hesitate to message me on this number or via email. I look forward to possibly building the future with your company. Thank you and God bless.